Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and Harley who's wagging his tail. Yes, same background, I still got that crap in the back in this closet. But, I said closet, weird, in this closet. But, I've been getting requests because the item that I'm about to show you is pretty new. Well, you would have already seen the title, so I guess you guys know what it is. But if you watched my handbag collection, then you would have seen that handbag collection and my newest little piece. I'm getting quite a few questions about this little item, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm talking about the Louis Vuitton Nano Nice. Now, this is technically a toiletry item. It's not a bag, but I added it in my bag collection because I'm using it as a handbag. Because if you guys know me, you will know that I love myself a nano item. But I need them to be semi-practical. My main thing is that I pray everything fits a phone, and I'm pretty happy to report that this does fit an iPhone. Regular iPhone, not the Maxes, just the regular. If you guys do carry a Max around, girls, guys, where are you putting that thing? Because that thing don't fit nowhere these days. That thing is massive. Anyways, here is my iPhone. Also, do you like my case? It's by Casetify. I am not sponsored by them. I wish they would. I've been purchasing Casetifys since I've had an iPhone. Typically get one with Harleys on it, but they didn't have any with like Harley. And if you don't know who Harley is, what? Harley is he. He's Harley. This is this little guy right here. This guy's Harley. I'm not Harley. I'm Antonia. This is Harley. Good. Any new viewers out there, that's the reason why my YouTube is Hello Harley. Also why my Instagram is Hello Harley. Follow me there. So let's go through what fits in this because I've been rambling. Alright, first let me give you guys a roundup of what this thing looks like close up. I have the two LV logos here. This is pretty in, well, let's move it over so it looks really good. This is pretty much in line. There's like the two sides here. This is what the top looks like. This is what the sides look like. And this is what the bottom looks like. So, I mean, it's pretty good. Like, look, they tried to line that up quite nicely. So I'm impressed. Sometimes it looks like this, and that was my biggest issue with the Palm Springs mini, guys. My pockets ended up looking like that, and it was not cute. Features a little vachetta leather handle, which is very tiny. A dual zipper, which zips to either side, because that's how you open it, and then it opens up and there is no pocket on the top. I think the Nice BB has a pocket on the top, and then it's just a complete big compartment. Mine was made in Italy. This is like wipeable, which is really nice. The only leather that it features is the leather trim around here, the leather trim around the bottom, and the vachetta handle on the top. It's just a toiletry bag basically, and it's very stinking cute. Like, I really don't carry much with me. This is the bag I'm currently using because I use this as a like whatever bag. You can get it at Aritzia. This is the main character. That's the brand Granger backpack. I liked it because it was very reminiscent of the Prada backpack, but it was only like $58, so really good price. And it was just like small but big because this fits a 17-ounce swell bottle. And I don't know about you guys, but 17-ounce swell bottle is the bottle I carry around, so that's very important to me. But let's see what fits in here, if it fits in here. I don't typically carry all that much, so I'm going to pare down what I have in here because I have like a lot of random crap. I'm definitely bringing a hand sanitizer because y'all know it's very important in 2020 to have that. I'm definitely bringing a lip balm, and the one I have here is by Milk, and it's the Kush one. It really sucks, but I'm just gonna try to use it up. It came in one of those like lip kits, and my friend Lauren got that for me for my birthday, so I'm just trying to use it up. I'm going to put in my key clay, which, wow, if you look at my key clay, it is janky. It is janky. Here's my keys. I usually have keys on there. Anyways, I just have my cards in there, so I'm gonna put that in there. I'm going to put tissue in because I don't know if you noticed, I have a chronic runny nose. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know, like I always have allergies and I have chronic runny nose. So I'm going to put tissue in, and then I'm gonna see if this fits. Probably won't fit. This just has an extra lip balm. I have Advil in here because I frequently get headaches, and I have wipes. I've been carrying this stuff pre-pandemic. If you watched my recent what's in my bag video, which I featured my Fendi back to school mini backpack, then you already know what this is. And then I have a couple other things. Oh, definitely need to carry around a reusable mask. But those are the items I'm going to try to fit in. So let's try to be strategic. Just so you know, iPhone does fit in here. So if that was the only item that you had, the regular iPhone does fit in here, but you'd have to have it like this. So I've seen a lot of girls put it on top like this. I'm gonna keep that as the last thing, but I'm gonna put my tissue in, put my Perel in, my lip balm in. So I have the tissue, Perel, lip balm, my key clay. I don't think this is gonna fit, unfortunately. So, good news and bad news is that it does fit everything, but your bag will be hella cramped and misshaped, because look, the iPhone is sticking out. So we gotta take something out, right? I'm going to take out, my nose is running. The one person who will understand me with my chronic nose issues is Quentin. He has worse chronic nose issues and always a clogged ear, which is completely unreal. Okay, I'm gonna take this thing out because I have the hand sanitizer and everything else, so, okay. And once that's out, it fits. So, I mean, I think it fits quite a few items. And you're wondering, are you gonna carry it around like that? No, I don't want to carry it around like this. That's annoying. Okay, it kind of looks like to the side, but that's because my phone's in here. I have this little strap that I bought off Etsy. You can find these straps for relatively inexpensive on Etsy. I think I paid like $10 or something like that for this. American, and I'm Canadian, and it comes with two types of rings. This kind of ring and this kind of ring. So I'm going to attach it to my handbag. You can attach it here where you see the leather. And I also saw people tie a scarf, which I have a Louis Vuitton bandeau scarf, but I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna wait for like someone else to put a tutorial up and then I'll do it. I would recommend using this type of clasp because you really don't have much room between this like leather thing, and I also don't want to, like, I'm trying to minimize damaging it so much, which I feel like with over time, if you use it too much, like with this strap, it might damage the leather. So I'm going to try so I don't know if you can see, I just push down and loop through, and then once I'm looped through, but look how stinking cute. You cannot tell me that that ain't a cutie little bag, and I just carry it like this. You could get a longer one to put on your shoulder, like crossbody. I have a like crossbody strap that I'm gonna plan to use on this as well, but I just thought this one adds a little bit more character. I think it's very cute. You can use that as a shoulder bag. Look at that. How stinking adorable is that? That is the Louis Vuitton Nano Nice Nano. That's what fits inside of it. I'm sure you could fit more if you didn't have a chronic runny nose like I did and always need tissue. You can also buy compact tissue. That's the tissue I have at the moment. There's one that's like flatter, but holds the same amount, so you could also have that. But this is really the essentials that I need. Maybe I would throw in this as well since I can. This is a eczema dermatitis face balm, which I could multi-purpose use as a balm for my face, a hand balm, something like that, because there's still room in there. god. There's still room in here to do so. So like if my phone is there, I could just place it on top and it closes. Because the phone just technically has to sit diagonal in order for it to fit properly, otherwise it just does not fit. If you are planning to use this as a handbag like I do have to say it's a little bit, just a little bit annoying, because when you open the bag up to go get your phone, like this is the top, so this needs to come undone, and then like stuff kind of falls out if you're just like having it on your shoulder. If you are like, I don't know, if you have pockets, then maybe just put this in your pocket and then carry this as is, because you need the items in the order that you have placed them in for the phone to fit in. Otherwise, you could have it jumbled like this and it would be no problem. I could put in, you know, grab my wallet, put it back in. It wouldn't matter because there's nothing much else in here. The only bulky item is your phone. So if your phone is this size, I do want to reiterate, like it does fit. But if your phone is not this size and you have like an Android, I don't know if it's gonna fit, girl. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Maybe look for the iPhone measurements of a regular iPhone and check if it would fit. If you have an Android, then like you can check that way, but yeah, I don't know, maybe just don't put the phone in the bag and you might just be easier, and wear like something with big pockets that day, because it will just make your life a little bit easier. But nonetheless, the cutest little item ever. I was thinking cute. You guys cannot tell me it's not cute, man. You cannot tell me she not a cutie bear. She cute. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any other questions regarding this bag in the comments down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. But that's it. Were you snoring? Did we just catch you snoring? Okay, let's get ready because you're gonna go swimming.